Hey everybody, it's your girl Denise, and let me tell you, I am so excited about today's video. We're diving deep into the heart and soul of Jamaica. No, not just the beaches and the reggae, though those are amazing. We're talking about trust me, after filming this, I fell in love with Jamaica all over again. And it's all thanks to the incredible people I met. Get ready to have your heart warmed and your mind blown because we're about to uncover the top 5 traits that make Jamaicans so uniquely special. From their strength and spirit to their warmth and welcoming vibes, you'll see why Jamaica is so much more than just a vacation destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left the island. So grab your coconut water, find a comfy spot, and get ready to be amazed. This is going to be fun. Okay, first up, we gotta talk about the resilience of the Jamaican people. I mean, seriously, these are some of the strongest, most determined people you'll ever meet. They face challenges head-on with this incredible sense of optimism and grace. Think about it, they've overcome so much throughout their history, from natural disasters to economic hardships. But through it all, their spirit never wavers. They just keep going, keep smiling, keep pushing forward. It's truly inspiring to witness. Their strength comes from within, from a deep connection to their heritage and an unwavering belief in themselves. Trust me, after spending time with Jamaicans, you'll leave feeling like you can conquer anything. They just radiate this contagious positivity. Now let's talk about pride, baby. Jamaicans bleed green, gold, and black, and they rock those colors with so much pride. Their culture is a vibrant tapestry of music, dance, food, and traditions, and they own every bit of it. From the moment you step foot on the island, you're enveloped in this infectious energy. You hear it in the reggae beats, see it in their dances, taste it in their jerk chicken. It's everywhere. But it's more than just outward expression. It's a deep-rooted sense of identity and belonging that runs through their veins. They know their history, they honor their ancestors, and they celebrate their heritage with every fiber of their being. And you know what? That kind of pride is contagious. Being around such a culturally rich and proud people makes you want to embrace your own heritage even more. Chapter 3, Hospitality. Come in, y'all. All right, let's talk about something near and dear to my Southern heart, hospitality. And honey, let me tell you, Jamaicans take hospitality to a whole new level. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted with warm smiles, open arms, and a genuine desire to make you feel like family. They'll invite you into their homes, share their food, and tell you stories like you've known each other for years. They just have this incredible ability to make you feel welcome and loved, no matter where you come from or what you believe in. It's like Southern hospitality with a Jamaican twist. It's all about embracing life with open arms and sharing that joy with everyone around them. And let me tell you, that kind of warmth is addictive. You'll leave Jamaica with a full heart and a longing to return to that feeling of belonging. Chapter 4, Creativity, Born to Shine. Now let's talk about creativity because, y'all, Jamaicans are bursting with it. From music and art to fashion and food, they have this innate ability to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Just think about their music, reggae, dancehall, ska. It's not just music, it's a cultural phenomenon that's taken over the world. And their art? Vibrant, bold, and full of life, just like the island itself. But it's not just about the big names. Creativity is woven into the fabric of everyday life in Jamaica. You see it in the way they speak, the way they dress, the way they move. It's like this infectious energy that inspires you to tap into your own creative potential. Chapter 5, Athletic Prowess Faster Than Lightning. Okay, we can't talk about Jamaica without mentioning their incredible athleticism. These people are born to run. I mean, have you seen Usain Bolt? The man is a legend. But it's not just about track and field. Jamaicans excel in all kinds of sports, from cricket to soccer to boxing. They have this natural talent, this drive, this determination that's truly remarkable. And it's not just about winning, it's about national pride. When Jamaican athletes compete on the world stage, they're not just representing themselves, they're representing their entire country. And you know what? They do it with such grace, such sportsmanship, such humility. They're true ambassadors for their nation, and they make everyone proud to be Jamaican. Outrow until next time, Jamaica. So there you have it, 5 outstanding traits of the Jamaican people that will make you want to book a flight and experience it all for yourself. From their resilience and pride to their hospitality and creativity, Jamaicans have this incredible ability to touch your heart and leave a lasting impression. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. And be sure to share this video with your friends who need a little Jamaican sunshine in their lives. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay curious, and keep exploring this amazing world we live in. One love.